The task here is to draw a 25-degree angle here using a protractor, and then using nothing but a compass and a straight edge, copy that angle here, and then use the protractor to see if we did it in such a way that, in fact, this one is 25 degrees. So let's get that done. First thing I'm going to do is use the protractor. It'll line up the black line here so that it's on the line that I'm building my angle on. And I'm going to make sure that the vertex that I'm using is right here in the middle of the hole. And I'm going to say 25 degrees, that's right here. And then I'm going to use the straight edge part of the protractor to go ahead and make an angle. Whoops. Make an angle that is 25 degrees. Okay. There we go. Okay, so just double checking, putting the vertex in the hole, lining the protractor up with the base of the angle, and then checking it out here. Yes, that's 25 degrees. All right. Here's the technique for copying an angle. First thing you want to do is take the compass and put, this is the equivalent to the pointy part of your compass, put that on top of the vertex and choose some, doesn't really matter what, some distance, and draw an arc so that you know that the distance from here to here, which by the way we'll call C, is equal to the distance from here to here. Okay? What you want to do then is take that same distance down here and draw the same arc, like that. Okay? The next thing you want to do is take the compass and find the distance from this intersection of the angle with the arc to this intersection of the angle with the arc. And that means put the pointy part here and adjust this until you have the intersection in the hole. I've taken the compass and put it here, the pointy part here on this part, this intersection. I can see the intersection through the hole here. I'm going to take that distance now. I'm going to come down here, put the pointy part here on the intersection of the arc with this line, and make a quick mark here so that I now know that the distance from here to here and here to here is the same as the distance from here to here and from here to here. I also know that this distance from here to here is the same as the distance from here to here. That's how I drew this. Now what I'm going to do is connect the vertex D with that point. An arrow here. I'm going to call that point F. And I'm going to check. Is angle FDE 25 degrees the way that one is? Okay. Putting the line so that it matches here, putting the vertex right in the hole here, and checking here. Yep, that's 25 degrees. So we've accomplished the mission.